In this video, you will learn how to fix trailing minus signs in Excel. Sometimes, when importing data into Excel, negative values appear with a trailing minus sign. I will show you a quick method to remove the trailing minus signs. Let's get started. Here we have a list of positive as well as negative values. Let's fix the negative values by removing the trailing minus signs. First, select the data. Then go to the Data tab, to the Data Tools group, select Text to Columns. The Convert Text to Columns wizard dialog box appears. Instead of following the steps in the wizard, just click Finish. Now you can see that the trailing minus signs no longer appear. The minus signs appear in front of the negative values. Now let's make some minor formatting changes. Let's select the data once again. In the Home tab, go to the Number group, click the drop down, go down to More Number Formats. It specifies number, which is fine. In the Decimal Places section, leave it at 0. I will check the Use Thousands separator, then click OK. We have successfully fixed the trailing minus signs as well as done some minor formatting. In this video, we learned how to fix trailing minus signs in Excel. This data cleansing method is another valuable piece of knowledge to have in your Excel skill set. I hope the video has been helpful. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you can be notified of new videos. Also, please give the video a like if it has helped you. Thanks for watching. Stay inspired and keep learning.